Good morning, boys and girls. Yesterday we did our graffiti letters, and now we're going to practice some blending using a red color pencil, an orange color pencil, and a yellow color pencil. First, let's start with our red, and we're going to do right along the bottom of our letters. So I have my red, move those out of the way, start here. I'm just going to color pretty hard right through here. And I'm going to do that. Let's see, get y'all zoomed in to all the bottom of all of my letters. Okay, so this is what it should look like. You have it really colored really hard, and it's not even, it's not flat, right at the bottom with your red color pencil. Now I'm going to take an orange. And with the orange, I am going to color right in here. Now, when you're coloring, you're going to color hard, and you're going to kind of color a little bit over your red. And then go up more. And then you want to take your red and kind of color over that. It's called blending. It gives you a red-orange. Sorry, camera moved. Gives you a red-orange rather than just an orange-orange. And you color really, really hard. But you can see it's getting a little bit lighter. So you can kind of see I colored with my orange. Now I need to go back over it with the red. Alright, so now I've colored it with the red and I have a red-orange. Hopefully y'all can see that it gets red and it gets a little bit lighter. Now I'm going to go over it with the orange again, right above. Now, when I'm coloring, I don't want there to be a line, so I kind of color over, and that's okay, because it'll just make the other orange darker. And that's what it should be looking like right now. Alright, so now we have it to where, let's see if I can get y'all to see it. It goes red, and then orange. Now we're going to do yellow. And again, just like the others, you're going to want to color on top so you have a nice, even transition. And when we finish coloring this yellow, we're not coloring to the top. Sorry, y'all. We're not coloring to the top, but we are going to go back over this with the orange so we can make a yellow orange. And you're coloring really hard, not hard enough to break the tip, but just hard enough so it shows really well. Alright, got my yellow colored. I'm just going to go over it with the orange. And that's blending it in. And yes, it will change from a light orange. From yellow to a light orange. Like that. You're going to do the same thing to all your yellows. Okay, so now we're having this. You can see it's starting to get lighter and lighter. And we're going to finish filling up our letters and coloring the rest of it with yellow. When we color with yellow, we are going to color back over here just to blend it even further. Color really hard, and you're going to color all the way to the top because that's the last of our colors, and it should blend in really nicely. And now we have a color transition. And if you have a black marker or even a black color pencil, it's best to go back over it like this. You just trace over your lines and, make some areas thicker if you want. So if I want to make this thicker, just adds a little depth to it. Alright, so now you have outlines like this, and you can add some extra detail, some lines underneath, kind of tracing over like we did our original letters, and it'll look like this. And you can even add some on top if you wanted, and some on the inside, like this. So it looks like this. Just adds more detail, and now you have made your own graffiti name with a blended red and yellow, and I will show you how to blend more colors with our next assignment. But I cannot wait. Remember, draw your pictures. Another fun way to do this is with chalk. Chalk works just like color pencil does, and you don't even have to do it on paper. Lots of fun. Please, please, please email me your work. I can't wait. You email it, I will post some of your stuff up on the next slide and you'll be able to see it. All right, guys, see you later.